But on the Nagara River in central Honshu, they make an exception. Following a 1,300-year tradition, these men have tied their fortunes to one of nature's best fish hunters. They carefully prepare cormorants for an unusual ceremony. The pine fire signals the start of a ritual passed from father to son. Japan licenses only 6 master fishermen and their crews in this ancient art. The men maneuver flat-bottomed boats to drive fish into the shallows. They deploy up to 12 birds at once. Cormorants can see under the water, hunting fish such as trout attracted by the firelight. As a shoal gathers below, the lines start to pull. The birds make their catch and are gently persuaded to give up their meal. A ring around the neck lets them swallow small fish, but stops larger ones. This ceremony is only performed 8 times a year, and these cormorants receive incredible care, living with the fishermen as part of their family. In the wild, they have a lifespan of 15 years, but these working birds may live up to 30. Nighttime belongs to the hunters. 400 kilometers southwest in Hiroshima, another stalks its prey. Every year, clouds dump up to 2 meters of rain here, swelling rivers. Beneath the torrent, a giant salamander prowls its domain. Moonlight is wasted on the salamanders. Almost blind, they feel their way around. They breathe through their skin, which is rich in blood vessels. Ridges and bumps increase the surface area. These 1.5 meter long giants have an exceptionally low metabolism. They can go for weeks without feeding. They don't chase their prey. Instead, they're masters of the patient ambush. A special jaw is the secret to their success. It snaps open quickly, sucking in water and any hapless fish within range. The salamanders hide in the shadows and wait. Even at close range, they can't see well enough to strike. Receptors on the head sense pressure waves. Fish just have to come close enough. With only small teeth, salamanders need a clean grab. It's all over in just 7/100ths of a second.